Hello guys, want some Coca-Cola? No? Let's make an experiment with Coca-Cola. Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Technically Wrong. In today's video, we are going to show you some experiment using Coca-Cola and Surf Excel detergent powder. So let's start the video without any delay. In the first of our experiment, we are going to pour some Coca-Cola in this glass and then we will mix up this detergent powder in Coca-Cola. Then the experiment will happen. The chemical reaction will happen. Let's see what happens. So let's start the video. Pour this Coca-Cola in this glass. I'm pouring, it's making foam. Actually this is not foam, this is the foam made by carbon dioxide. Okay. It's called Coca-Cola, as you can see. Okay, now we are going to pour these detergent powders in the glass and let's see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! It's fascinating, man. It's so cool. That's all? Impossible, guys. Okay, let's see. After stirring this mixer, what happened? The color of Coca-Cola has been changed, but the foam is not making any more. I think the reaction is finished almost. But our experiment is not finished yet. The color is changing gradually. It's changing. Making foam hasn't finished. Okay, let's add some lemon juice in this mixer and let's see what happens. It's pure lemon juice. Okay, let's go. Let's add some more lemon juice.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Let's mix it together.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
After adding some lemon juice in this mixer, the color is changing very fast and it's been looks like it's clear. The Coke was like black, but this is not actually black. This looks like coffee made with milk, as you can see. Okay, but I was expecting something more interesting from this experiment, but what happened is very good, is really good. So let's finish for today. So if you guys like our video, please subscribe our channel, comment on our video that which video you want to see in the next time. Thank you very much.